cabin fever or rat fever. I've got some kind of fever.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the... Shut up!
Pretty good high winds last night. It snowed continuously as far as I know. Gonna dig this out. The winter storm warning is supposed to be lasting with snow and high winds until 5 o'clock. It's only about 10:30, 11 right now. Yep. The wind will just mock anything you try. Actually dug out that whole path. Oh boy, that wind's a little bit brisk.
Thanksgiving.
You best get your mind right, son.
Shut up.
You shut up!